Good morning children, how are you? So for the class 2 children, this is English subject. Open your textbooks on page number 34 children, page number 34. Okay. So we are going to learn what children? We are going to learn poem. What poem? That is The Little Plant on the page number 34. Okay, it's all about the plant, how that little plant is growing from the seed and what it require, which type of care, which type of nourishment it require. This is about the poem, and here the author is what children? Kate L. Brown. Even this author is also very famous. He has written a lot of poems and articles and so many what dramas he has written. Okay, so he is also one of the famous poet, and their imagination is very different from ours. Yes, and their observation to the environment is different. That is the reason they can write very well the poems. Okay, let us see all the poems children. This poem, The Little Plant, about the little plant. Okay, in the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. In the heart of a seed buried deep, but so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. What does it mean children? See, in the heart of a seed, it means, what is the heart of the seed? That is very small in size, and that is seed. Okay, buried deep means like in the earth it is, because they are sowing the seeds into the earth, right? By after digging the soil, it means it is buried in the deep, so deep. A tiny plant lay fast asleep. It means the seed is falling asleep, means it is in the sleep that the poet wants to convey us. Okay, see this plant, this seed is sleeping in the earth. Okay, it is buried deep. Okay, this is the sunlight, the rain. Okay, now see here how it is sleeping under the soil. Yes, wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. Wake, said the sunshine. This is sun, and what the sun is giving us? Sunshine, that is sunlight. It is saying to the seed, wake up seed, wake up, and creep to the light, and it gives the sunlight to the seed. Wake, said the voice. Whose voice? Sunlight and sun's voice. Of the raindrops bright. Of the raindrops bright means, see here the raindrops are very bright in color. That is the reason the poet has saying it is the raindrops are very bright. Okay, so this is about the plant. Okay. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. Yes, the sunlight is also giving to the sunlight to the seed, and the raindrops are also giving the coolness to the seed, because with the help of clouds. Okay, next paragraph. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So the voice, they have the sunlight and the other voice, like that cloud's voice, the little plant have heard and rose to see. This is the past tense of rise children, past tense of rise. Rise, rose, risen, so that is rose. This rose is not the rose plant. Okay children, what the wonderful outside world might be. The plant is saying that it is very wonderful outside. That is the reason it wants to rise up above the ground. Yes, here see children, here, yes, the seed is growing, and it is the roots are coming out, the leaves are coming out, and the flower, wow, it is smiling. Yes, This is about the little plant. Okay children. Let us see the exercises now. Read and answer. Take the correct answers. To complete these sentences. The tiny plant lay fast asleep in a what? Seed or bed? Obviously seed. Please tick this children. The sunshine asked the little plant to wake up and see. What? Themselves or the light? The light. Yes. The little plant heard the voice of what? Clouds or raindrops? Obviously raindrops. Yes. The little plant rose to see the wonderful what? World or sunshine? That is world. Please tick this one. Next one, CARCLE circle. CARCLE circle. THE the words that you can make from the LETTERS letters in the word raindrop. This is the word children. This is the word. You have to like what can you prepare from this? That word very small words you have to create by your own. That we will see. Okay. Suppose drip is there. DRIP. It's there in this DRIP. Yes, it is there. Rain is there. You can prepare RAIN. Yes, rain. Yes. Drop. DROP. Yes, DROP. Yes, you can. Sir, you can circle it, children. THE the. No T is there. No H is there. No E is there. Pond. Let us see. POND. Yes, pond is there, children. Wow. Please circle this, children. Circle. Yes. Wise. No W is there in this. Then we can't do. Drain. Drain we will see. DRAIN. Drain. Yes, it is there. Wow. You can do. PIN. 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 Yes, it is there, children. We have to circle it. Ape. The last word is ape. Let us see. It is there or not. AP. E is not there, children. So we can't circle this. Okay. Next one. Fun to do. Look at the pictures. Tick the pictures which. WHICH which. Please children, don't write WICH with spelling WHICH. Show, SHOW, show how one can help plants to grow. How the plants can grow, children, that you have to see. If you sow the plant, it can grow? Yes, obviously. Okay, this is the second one. First one, see children, yes, if you watering the plants, yes, you have to. No children, when the cows or buffaloes or goats, they are eating the plants, they cannot grow. And if you are plucking the plants or flowers, then it can't grow. So this is about the this one, children. So hope we have completed everything. Please complete this, children, in your textbook, page number 34 and 35. So only these things you have to tick. Okay children. Take care children. Bye.